Hello, first engineering students. Congratulations to you all for getting admission in engineering colleges. Today is 26 August and I guess yesterday, कल के दिन आपका engineering admission close हो चुका है. So we get tutorials. Our branches is in Miraroad, Borivali and Kandivali, and we have catered thousands of students and given best results. So we are actually number one engineering classes because of its outstanding results. I can show you results which we have given, and these are results. Shubham Virani from Thakur College of Engineering have achieved 10 out of 10 pointer. उत्सव धाबी एंड अथर्वा कॉलेज से भी हमारे पास रिजल्ट्स हैं. कृष्णा ठाकुर, डीजे सांघवी के रिजल्ट्स हैं, एंड वी हैव रिजल्ट्स फ्रॉम डिफरेंट कॉलेजेस. सो फर्स्ट इंजीनियरिंग में स्टार्ट करने के लिए यू शुड बी प्रिपेयर्ड बिकॉज यू हैव ओनली 3 months to study well and you will be busy in colleges writing assignments and journals. So I would say कि आप लोगों को to get the best results so that you can place well, so 8 to 10 pointer आना चाहिए. So I would say we have given 8 to 10 pointers to the students. So if you will join us, then definitely together we can achieve the goals what exactly you want to get. So join Get Tutorials. As I told you, our branches is in Miraroad, Borivali and Kandivali. Get Tutorials.